Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope we're doing well. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna do a full face makeup look with contour and highlight update video. I already have one that I'm gonna put here in the cards for you guys. So today I'm gonna switch some products and show you how I do it. So if you wanna see how I do it, then keep on watching and let's get started. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't. Hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it, and also follow me on Instagram to see my pictures of my work. So the first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my skin, and I'm gonna use the Rose Gold Elixir. And this product I used the For Solid too, but in the reality this is my DIY. I'm gonna link here in the cards for you guys. Next, I'm gonna use the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and I just applied a few drops of the iconic London highlighter, and this is the shade Original. So make sure to blend the product so well, spread it out in your face, and also what is left in the blender, apply in your neck and your chest as well, just to balance the color. Now I'm gonna contour my face using my contour palette, and this is not an exact product because I did a lot of mix here, and I mixed some of my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Artist of Makeup products to get my favorite contour colors right here. So this is very easy to make, and if you are a makeup artist, this is a good to go because you don't have to put a lot of tubes of foundation or cream foundations in your bag, and that's why I love palettes like this. So I really recommend for you to try this out. Now I'm gonna use this shade right here to contour my face. Now to highlight, I'm gonna use the concealer Prolonger by MAC. I love this concealer especially because it's a really light shade, so I can highlight and conceal at the same time. And this is the shade NC15. Now with a concealer brush, I'm gonna apply a little bit of this color in my cheeks, and this will be my cream blush. Now to set everything in my skin, I'm gonna just apply some translucent powder with this little sponge. And now I'm gonna remove the excess powder using any powder brush, and I'm gonna use this one. This is a big fluffy brush. Next, I'm gonna highlight my face, and today I'm gonna use Everglow by Ofra Cosmetics. And as you can see, this is so beautiful, but for my skin shade, I'm gonna go for this color right here. And to finish off this look, I'm gonna use a setting spray, and this one is by Too Faced. This is the Hangover Primer. I love this product. So that's it, my loves. This is how I do my skin. I really hope that you liked this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me more suggestions of what I want to see next here in my channel, here down below in the comments. I would love to hear your opinion. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you did. Also subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, and hit the notification bell to make sure that you get all the news when I upload it. So I see you later in the next tutorials. Thanks for watching. And remember, you can use the products that you have at home.